In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create attribution reports in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clear, trustworthy view of which marketing touchpoints contribute to your results. Start by heading to the Hubspot website, signing in, and opening your dashboard. From the top navigation, go to the Reports menu. Depending on your account, you'll either choose Reports or Analytics Tools. This is the home base for everything related to measurement and insights in Hubspot. Next, create your report. Click Create Report and select Attribution Report. This opens the builder where you'll define how credit is assigned across your marketing interactions. Think of attribution as the rulebook that decides which touchpoints get recognized for moving contacts toward conversion. Choose the attribution model that fits your analysis. First touch gives all the credit to the initial interaction, great for understanding how people first discover you. Last touch assigns credit to the final interaction before conversion, useful for optimizing closing activities. Linear spreads credit evenly across all interactions, providing a balanced view of the journey. Time decay gives more weight to recent interactions, which is helpful when your sales cycle is longer and later touches tend to matter more. Pick the model that best answers your question. Remember, the model you choose can change the story your data tells. Now select the data sources you want to include. You can analyze website pages, email campaigns, ads, landing pages, and social media campaigns. Be intentional here. Include the channels you actively used during your selected period and make sure your tracking is consistent so the report reflects reality rather than noise. Refine your view with filters. Set a date range that matches your campaign timeline or sales cycle. Narrow by campaign if you're evaluating a specific initiative. Choose a contact lifecycle stage to focus on leads, qualified contacts, or customers depending on your goal. You can also filter by marketing channel to zero in on a particular area of investment. These filters help you compare apples to apples and surface more actionable insights. When you're ready, click Run Report or Generate Report. HubSpot will compile your attribution data and display charts and tables that highlight top-performing channels, the conversion impact of your campaigns, and revenue attribution when deal data is connected. Scan for standout channels or assets and note which touchpoints consistently appear in successful journeys. Finally, save your work. Click Save Report and add it to your dashboard for quick access. Give it a clear name that includes the attribution model and date range, so it's easy to find and understand later. That's it. You've built an attribution report in HubSpot that you can trust and reuse.